Welcome online training and testing schemes in wine education. We are in the section of advanced sensory evaluation and wine testing. The condition for sensory analysis are different influence in the sensory evaluation, different condition. For example, our ability to evaluate is highly dependent on our lived experience and mentally elaborated models. So we use to name this type of influence like frame of reference. Sensory determination always depends on the frame of reference. The context can strongly influence the judge's ability to evaluate. So you need a panel trained to minimize this condition. Then you have conditions from your testing room. Remember, you need a testing room with controlled lighting, with nobody can influence your testing, so you must sample, pass through this little window. The tester must have the test directions and a signal unit to understand when they finish the test. Another point of view that condition a lot our test is the glasses. You need to have the same glasses for all your tests. So this is the standard glasses that recognize it to taste. The temperature is very important, the temperature of the service to start your test. For example, red wines, best between 18 and 20 Celsius grade. White wines, best between 11 to 16. Sweet fortified wines between 8 to 14. It's best to present the wines cooler than ideal, so it can pass to the preferred temperatures during the testing. Technical testing, late morning or afternoon. It's very important to test all wines at the same time. This is based partially on the view that acuity is optimal when a subject is hungry. Sensory acuity occurs usually throughout the day. Then we have to minimize different sources of perceptive errors. For example, physiological errors, adaptation, potentiation and suppression, physical condition, cold, tiredness, stress. And then we have another group of psychological errors. For example, expectation, suggestion, motivation, personality, character, mood of your panel, stimulation. So we have different elements that we need to take under control to have good sensory analysis. Thank you for your attention.